In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a regular file in Dropbox. Whether you're freeing up some space or simply getting organized, removing files you no longer need is a simple but essential task. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll want to go ahead and open up your preferred web browser and head to the Dropbox website. If you aren't already logged in, you'll need to do that. Access the login page and enter your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily sign up to get started. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself at your Dropbox dashboard, which is essentially the hub for managing all of your files. Once you're at the dashboard, it's time to locate the file you'd like to delete. Browse through your folders and navigate to the specific file you want to remove. You can use the search bar at the top to look up files by name if you have many items stored and need a little help finding them. When you've found the file, hover over it with your mouse. You'll notice a small series of three dots, commonly known as the More icon. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu with several options. Among these options, you'll see one labeled Delete. Go ahead and click on it, but bear in mind that clicking Delete doesn't quite finish the process. Once you've selected the Delete option from the menu, a confirmation pop-up will appear, asking you to confirm your decision to delete the file. This step is crucial as it helps prevent any accidental deletions. If you're sure you want to proceed and permanently remove the file from Dropbox, click on the Delete button one more time to confirm your choice. And just like that, your file has been deleted from Dropbox. Remember, this action is permanent, so be certain you really want the file gone. If you ever need to recover a recently deleted file, Dropbox does offer a file recovery feature for a limited time, giving you a bit of a safety net in case you change your mind, which you can access via the sidebar labeled Deleted Files. And there you have it. Deleting files in Dropbox is straightforward and can help you maintain a clean and organized digital space. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you next time.